Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs on YouTube. And you're here with me to create with love in every stitch. And today it's one word of the day with Becca at Create with Becca. And I'm on number 3. I'm playing catch up. So we're on number 3 here. And it was for November 4th, which is create something tiny for day number 4. So I decided I'm going to create this tiny little book here. Okay, so I'm going to make more pages by doing it this way. And I think I can make 2 more pages out of the bottom. Like so. And then grab that. That way I know they're all the same size. So now I'm going to put all in here, all the pages together in here. Okay. And then I'm going to, let's see, do this. Straight across here. And I'm going to put a line going down here. So what I'm going to do is grab my scoreboard, put this right on the line there, and I'm going to score that because that's going to be my fold line for the cover of my book. Okay, let me take my water cup out of the way. And I'm just going to score right down here. Okay, and then fold it, move this out of the way, move that out of the way, fold it. It's not as straight as I want it, so refold. We're gonna trim out the excess like so, and we're gonna go here. Okay, then we're gonna flip this back over, and we have our cover for our book. Okay, so I'm gonna trim all the excess off of here. Then what I'm going to do is clip this together so all my pages stay together like so. And I'm going to put it, well, I don't need one for the center. I'm going to grab my needle here, whoop, without dropping it everywhere. Oh, that's not the right needle. Let me see if I put it in the drawer. We need our dowel needle. And it's not in our drawer. So, where did our dowel needle go to? I don't know, but I'm going to take my pokey tool. Let's straighten this out. That's going to close. Okay. I'm going to take my pokey tool here. I'm going to poke a hole in the center here. Like so. And then go down right here. Do the same thing. Like that. And then go down this way. And go another hole. Now, I need my needle. I don't know where my needle went to. It disappeared on there. It disappeared. Whoa. I have no clue where it went. So, what can we do since our needle can't be found? This is, yep, okay. Oops. Well, there's our big needle. Okay. Now, I'm just going to do regular thread. Let's see if we can find the end. And we're going to thread this. Well, I thought it was being threaded. Like so. And do that. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is go here. Leave that a little tail here. Go through the next hole, which is right here. Okay. Now, since I have that loop there, I can take this, put my needle through, and go down the next hole. And that's going to help it stay together. And then I come back up the middle, and all I do, under the thread, okay, like so, loop it through the loop in the knot of the thread, tighten it, and you have your book. I'm gonna do one more. This is the way I would do, you know, they have other ways to do it, like tying a big old knot in the middle. This is the way I just taught myself how to do it. There. And we got our tiny little book. Let's put this in our needle, in our thread here, so we can find it next time. And wrap the thread around. Like so. Put those over there. And we have our little tiny book. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for when I go live. I do upload content, or I do a premiere. It just wiped my mind. I had fibro fog there. And please be kind and remember, you're here where products are made, or projects are made, with love in every stitch. So please be kind, be safe, be crafty, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.